surprise. I wonder what it is.
Oh wow, they're jiggly bits. I wonder what's inside. Ooh, I got Gummy Galaxy.
I got SWEET-O-SAURUS.
I got Wiggle. I got JELLI-CORN. Okay, guys, let's find our surprise.
Whoa!
Wow.
Look what I got, you guys. Mine's like a crystal. That's so cool.
I got like a cupcake with like dinosaurs.
I got a
This
unicorn.
is so cool.
This is so cool, you guys.
So excited to squish this. It's so cool. It's got aliens, glitter, stars. So
I got a Brachiosaurus with a candy and confetti.
And I got sprinkles and like I got toys. I got 1, 2. And I got glitter on my slime. And I got 2 squishy surprise. And I can't wait to open it. I got a clear slime with glitter, a unicorn, and a star. I can't wait to squish it. I'm gonna open mine. Open it.
Whoa! It's super cool. Wrap it off.
Wrap her off.
We're gonna flip.
Big old thing out. Whoa! So shiny. Pop it out. Yeah. Whoa, it's so cool. It's jelly. It's got stars. It's like an iceberg. I can't wait to squish it. I'm gonna squish it so bad.
Oop. I'm gonna try and put this out. It's a cupcake. Dinosaur and confetti.
And mine has glitter and 2 squishy surprise. There's 2 squishy surprises and I can't wait to squish them. I got a rainbow and I can't wait to squish it because there's unicorns in there.
Whoa, it's so cool.
I like the colors.
Let's see how it feels.
I think she's got one.
Come on, Leanna, dig it out. Come on, dig it out. Use your hands.
Use your hands.
Use your hands, Leanna.
There we go.
Oh, it's so stretchy.
It's a unicorn.
Go get the other one, Leanna.
That's cool. I like that color.
Whoa. So cool and so pink.
Is that rainbow?
Oh my gosh, I got a unicorn.
That's cool.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh, I got a star. You mean
a
monster?
Let me see. Can I see it? Ooh, it's a shooting star, but a rainbow.
Play with the slime.
Squishy.
Look at the top.
So cool. I want to play with that so bad.
I like the clear and the glitter.
It
and the
looks like
slime.
snow.
A little bit.
Squishy, Leanna?
Yeah.
What is it called?
Oh, I'm gonna get. Wow.
What is it, Chloe?
What is it?
A bone.
It's a bone. What color?
White and blue. I mean, white and blue.
Yeah, go on to the next one.
And There's blue. Look, it's blue. Now stick from the other one. Wow, get a piece from down.
Ew, it's poo.
What'd you get, Chloe?
A dog.
That's so cool. Show the camera.
A
What you
dog
got?
with its bone.
A dog with his bone.
What color?
Orange and black.
Here, squeeze the pink a little bit so we can see. Oh wow, look at all that glitter.
Is that yucky?
Now.
It's like poop.
Uh,
Ew.
Ew.
It's white and pink poop.
I think it's glycerol.
Wow.
And
Alright, so I'm gonna try and dig out this dinosaur and the gonna try and get this out. So it's a pink and blue candy. It's fake, obviously. And this green dinosaur. And if you look closely, there's like this really cool confetti. Very stretchy. See all the white? This is so satisfying.
Okay, last but not least, me with the gummy galaxy slime. Let's see what's inside. So squishy and blue. Let's see what I got. Oh my gosh, I got it. It's a green alien holding the peace sign. And now, for the final prize, let's see what's inside. Ugh, I almost got it. I got it. It is a blue star, galaxy star with gold and silver glitter stars. And it's super cool. So now let's play with this super satisfying blue crystal slime. Super squishy, super messy, and it's kind of stretchy, but overall it's super fun. Let's get all of that smushed up. It's all white like snow. End of my video. We hope you like it. Smash the like button, subscribe, and
Be sure to check out a Halloween video coming out soon. Bye! Hope you enjoyed.
bye!